Welcome back to the 2025 Lamborghini Urus by TopCar Design is not just an SUV, it's an extreme fusion of Italian supercar DNA and aggressive aftermarket artistry, transforming an already powerful machine into something truly outrageous. And as the cinematic sequence begins with the Urus emerging from darkness under sharp neon reflections, its presence immediately dominates the scene, showcasing a bold and unapologetic personality that pushes the limits of design, performance, and exclusivity, while carrying the unmistakable legacy of Lamborghini, a brand known for creating some of the most dramatic and powerful vehicles in the world. And from the very first glance, the TopCar Design version takes the standard Urus and elevates it into a visual masterpiece. Featuring an aggressive carbon fiber widebody kit that includes a redesigned hood, extended fenders, sharp side skirts, and a massive rear diffuser, all crafted with precision to enhance both aerodynamics and aesthetics. And, unlike factory styling, this version embraces a more extreme and exotic look, making it stand out even among super SUVs, while the exposed carbon fiber elements reflect light in a way that highlights the intricate craftsmanship behind every component. As the camera glides around the exterior, the attention to detail becomes even more evident, with TopCar Design introducing multiple aerodynamic enhancements such as dual rear spoilers, aggressive front splitters, and vented panels that not only improve airflow but also give the vehicle a race-inspired appearance. And each element is designed to seamlessly integrate with the original body lines, ensuring that the final result looks like a natural evolution rather than an add-on, while the use of carbon Kevlar materials in certain components adds both strength and exclusivity, making this SUV not just visually striking but also technically advanced. And the massive wheels and performance tires complete the look, giving the Urus a planted stance that screams performance from every angle. Under the hood, the 2025 Urus continues to deliver breathtaking performance, powered by a twin-turbocharged 4.0-liter V8 engine that produces around 650 horsepower in standard form, while newer hybrid variants push output close to an astonishing 789 horsepower, combining a combustion engine with electric power to create a new level of performance and efficiency. And as the engine roars to life, the deep, aggressive exhaust note echoes with authority, reminding you that this is not just a luxury SUV, it's a Lamborghini at heart, capable of accelerating from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in just over 3 seconds, delivering supercar-level speed in a high-riding SUV format, while the advanced all-wheel drive system and torque vectoring ensure maximum traction and stability, allowing the Urus to handle corners with surprising agility and precision. Step inside the cabin, and the Urus by TopCar Design transforms into a futuristic cockpit that blends luxury with motorsport-inspired design, featuring premium materials such as Alcantara, leather, and carbon fiber, creating an environment that feels both exclusive and performance-focused, while the signature Lamborghini design elements, including the fighter jet-inspired start button and driver-centric layout, enhance the overall experience, making every drive feel like an event. And the advanced infotainment system, complete with dual touchscreens and digital displays, provides seamless control over navigation, media, and vehicle settings, while customizable ambient lighting and premium sound systems ensure that comfort and entertainment are never compromised. Performance on the road is where the Urus truly shines, as it delivers a driving experience that is both exhilarating and refined, thanks to its advanced suspension system with adjustable air springs, which allows the vehicle to adapt to different driving conditions, providing a smooth ride in the city and a more aggressive setup for spirited driving, while multiple driving modes enable the driver to customize the vehicle's behavior, from focused cruising to track-ready performance. And as the cinematic sequence shows the Urus carving through mountain roads and accelerating down open highways, it becomes clear that this SUV is capable of delivering thrills that rival some of the world's fastest sports cars, all while maintaining the practicality and versatility of a luxury SUV. Technology and safety are also at the forefront of the Urus experience, with advanced driver assistance systems providing an added layer of confidence, including features such as adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and advanced braking systems, ensuring that the vehicle remains safe and stable even at high speeds. While the integration of modern connectivity features allows drivers to stay connected and in control at all times, making it a perfect blend of innovation and performance. One of the most unique selling points of the 2025 Lamborghini Urus by TopCar Design is its exclusivity, as each vehicle can be customized to the owner's preferences, making no two models exactly alike. And this level of personalization, combined with the already limited production of the Urus, makes it a highly desirable vehicle among collectors and enthusiasts, while the aggressive design and enhanced performance ensure that it stands out in a segment filled with high-end SUVs, offering a level of individuality that few vehicles can match. On the road, the Urus by TopCar Design delivers an experience that is both commanding and exhilarating, with a high driving position that provides excellent visibility, a powerful engine that ensures effortless acceleration, and a refined interior that enhances comfort, making it suitable for both daily driving and high-performance adventures. And whether cruising through the city or pushing its limits on the open road, the Urus remains composed, responsive, and undeniably exciting, proving that it is more than just a luxury SUV yet is a true super SUV that redefines expectations. In conclusion, the 2025 Lamborghini Urus by TopCar Design is a bold and uncompromising interpretation of an already iconic vehicle, combining extreme design, cutting-edge technology, and supercar-level performance into a single, breathtaking package. And for those who demand the ultimate in exclusivity, power, and style, this SUV delivers an experience that is truly unmatched, standing as a testament to what happens when luxury meets innovation and performance meets artistry, leaving a lasting impression as one of the most extraordinary vehicles in the modern automotive world. If you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe.